and welcome back to my channel. I am really excited because today we are talking about my signature scent which I have been using for more than 12 years. This baby right here. That's what the bottle looks like. I only have this much left. Okay. You open, there's these rings. It's a no faff bottle. It's beautiful. It looks amazing on top of your dresser. Okay, now all my life I used to call this perfume Lanvin Eclat de Arpege, but apparently you pronounce it as Lava Eclat d'Arpege. I could be wrong, but I tried. Now, if Patricia, you're watching this video, thank you so much for introducing this fragrance to me. You know, she just told me like, oh, you're Pisces, you like this. I was like, okay. Then I took a sniff and it was love at first sniff. Oh my god, I'm not exaggerating. I have been using this for more than 12 years. I don't know how many bottles I have burned through. Now, this is classified as a fruity floral by certain websites. To me, it's not fruity. To me, it's very summer, daytime, floral, feminine, fresh fragrance. The top notes are green lilac and lemon leaves. Keep in mind, lemon leaves, not lemon, not straight up citrus. So it's very green, fresh. Okay. The base notes are, I've written down, wisteria, peach blossom, red peony, and green tea leaves. Green tea leaves. So there's a freshness going on along with the florals. Again, the florals are not overpowering like jasmine or tuberose or rose. There are florals, but again, they're very delicate, feminine, graceful, fresh florals. Okay. Then comes the dry down, which is my favorite. It becomes such a sensual skin scent. Cedar, musk, and woody notes. Okay, sorry, cedar, musk, and amber, which together gives us this woodiness and sensual skin scent. Because the sensual skin scent comes from musk, amber gives it more depth, and cedar is so woody. So together, it's just, oh my god, it's beautiful. Projection is not much because, as I mentioned, it's a very fresh, feminine, floral, delicate scent. Some call it angelic and some call it fragile. I don't like to call it fragile. I like to call it angelic and delicate. So the projection is not much. There's hardly any sillage. The longevity on my skin is 3 to 4 hours and then it just starts fading. The first 20 minutes, it's a very fresh fragrance. After 20 minutes, it becomes more feminine, more graceful, more delicate and angelic. That is when all this wisteria and peach blossom and red peony just comes out and does their flirting around. Okay. There are people who draw parallel lines between Lava Eclat d'Arpege and Dolce & Gabbana light blue, the normal version, and the reason for that is the base notes are the same. Both of them have the same base notes. The base notes of Dolce & Gabbana light blue original, and this baby right here is this is what, this is an eau de parfum, Inter Parfums. I think it's an eau de parfum. It's an eau de parfum. Yeah. So this is an eau de parfum. So that the base notes are cedar, musk, and amber. So the dry down is almost same, but Dolce & Gabbana is intensely citrusy, crisp on your face, freshness. This is very sensual, feminine, floral, flirty, delicate freshness. So we spoke about projection, sillage, longevity. We spoke about all those things. Now the kind of woman who wears this. In my head, she's got wavy hair or maybe natural curls. She isn't doing much of anything about her hair. She just washed it and let it do its thing on the air. It's breezy summer morning. She's somewhere in Europe. She's wearing a nice summer dress, cold shoulder, a little bit of ruffles going on, some kind of lace and silk, pastel colors, maybe a little lavender, yeah, like this. Okay, she's not wearing liquid lipstick or like heavy makeup. She's got this lip balm, tinted lip balm, minimal makeup. She's sensual, but she's not seductive and sexy and on your face provocative. She's sensible. She's also soft spoken. She's a very beautiful, graceful, feminine woman. She's not going clubbing wearing this, because no, this is not a clubbing perfume. This is not even a winter date night perfume. I mean, I have worn this for winter date nights and it's made me feel good, but I wouldn't really call it winter appropriate. But see, wear whatever you want, do whatever you want, be happy. But that pretty much is it. So this is for me, I can wear this to work. I can wear this literally anywhere at any time, but this is more summer, fresh, daytime appropriate scent. And I love it. It's been my signature scent for 12 years, and this is gonna be my signature scent for the rest of my life because I love it. I cannot be parted from this ever. I even have the small version in my bag. I wish I had taken it out, but anyways, that pretty much is it. Please let me know if you like the review. Please let me know if you are using this. We could all be just friends. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are staying safe, and bye bye.